Hi friends, welcome to my channel Renu's Chalk and Talk. If you are new, please do subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share my video with your friends and family. Last video we completed simple present tense. Today we are doing second one, that is second tense, present continuous tense. What is that? Present continuous tense. By name itself, it is continuous. Means actions that are going on, that are continuing, but present time, at the present time. Okay, actions that are going on or that are continuing, that are progressing, but at the present time, that is the present continuous tense. What is present continuous tense? By name itself, continuous means actions that are continuing. When are they continuing? At the present time. The actions that are continuing at the present time is present continuous tense. Okay. Or actions that are going on at the present time are the present continuous tenses. Then what is the structure here? Here in the continuous actions means base verb we take and we add ing form for it. Okay, base verb is V1 form. For that we add ing form, isn't it? So it is present tense, so we take up base verb V1 only, adding ing form, it becomes V4, isn't it? What are those words? Read, reading, write, writing, ing forms you have to add. Give, giving, take, taking, ask, asking, all these. Teach, teaching, learn, learning, listen, listening, all those V1 forms for which we add ing forms, they become so continuous tenses. Then for that, what is the structure of this present continuous tense? First of all, subject, then be form. Be form present tense. Be form, do you remember? How many are there? 5, isn't it? Is, am, are, was, were. Now we don't take up past forms, only we take up present forms, that is, am, are. Okay. Based on the subject, we use any of these three. Okay. Then V1 plus ing form, that is V4. Then object. Once again, look at the structure. Subject plus B form is MR plus V4, V1 plus ing form plus object or any other words. Okay. He is reading a book. Read plus ing. He, it is subject. So immediately we use after he is reading a book. Okay. She is playing piano. She is playing piano. They are, they after are, isn't it? They are watching TV. Okay. And I am teaching a lesson. I am teaching a lesson. Isn't it? But I after am you have to use. So that is the structure. Now let us see, when do we use this present continuous tense? When do we use that? First, now. Okay, actions that are happening now at this moment. Okay, then we have to use present continuous tense. Got it? Once again I repeat, the actions that are going on now, ongoing actions that are taking place now, that are happening now at this moment. At this moment, what are we doing? That comes in such cases we use present continuous tense. So what are you doing? You are watching this video. Okay, you are watching this video and I am teaching present continuous tense. At this moment, what I am doing, I am teaching present continuous tense and you are learning continuous tense, isn't it? You are learning continuous tense and I am writing on the board. Okay, I am writing on the board, I am showing you the sentences. Okay, all that at this moment, what are the ongoing actions you can write under this? But you have to follow the structure: subject plus B form plus V1 plus ing form or V4, then any other word, object or any other word also. Okay, so this is the first one. What is the first one? Now, the actions that are going on at present, at this moment, and now. Okay, next we see second one. Second one, longer actions in progress now. The longer actions, the action that extends over a period of time. Okay, but at the present time, that is important. Action that extends, that continues over a period of time, but in the present time only, over a period of present time. That is important because we are talking about now present continuous tense. So the actions which are continuing only in the present time. Okay, so longer actions in progress. Like he is pursuing MBA from Andhra University, or he is doing MSc Computers from Usmania University. Okay, that taking up that course or doing one course, it does not complete at this moment because once he joins, he has it takes place at least 3 years or 4 years, or based on the course. MBA degree means 2 years, like that, isn't it? So it is a longer action, isn't it? Longer action which is continuing for that. That is the difference you have to find out. Longer action which is continuous for a period of time. Okay, but present time, he's still doing that. Okay, he's still doing that course. Once he completed means again different. He's still doing the course, and the course which is continuing for a period of time, over a period of time. Like the students are preparing for the exams. Exam doesn't complete within a day or within half an hour, isn't it? And 1 week program examination schedule only 1 week, and but that preparation also takes place, isn't it? Before that 1 week or 15 days, based on the time and class they do. So the students are preparing for the examinations. I am reading a novel. Novel also I can't complete within a day or within an hour. Or, so, isn't it? It takes some time. So I am reading a novel, and he is studying in. Where are you studying? Means where is he studying? He is studying in government school, isn't it? That study also, it's a continuous process. Once he joins, at least he has to complete one full academic year in that school, isn't it? So he is studying in government school, and he is also in which class is he studying? He is studying in fifth class, isn't it? In class 5, he is studying in fifth class. So that in such cases, the actions which continue or which extend for a period of time, that is, then also we use simple present continuous tense. Then also we use present continuous tense for the longer actions, but which continue at the present time. That is important. Next one, near future. Near future also means here definite plan and program, but it talks about near future. Definite plan and programs are there in the near future. Then also we use continuous tense. How? Let us see. Look at the sentences. She is giving the party tonight. This night she is giving the party. So that party also, it is a continuous action because it does not start and end within a minute or within a moment. We can't complete. So it is a process continuous. Then we can use continuous tense, even though, but it is immediate future. It is talking about near future. Okay, and it is a definite program. She is giving the party tonight. In such cases, we use present continuous tense. I am leaving to Hyderabad tonight by Gautami Express. I am leaving to Hyderabad tonight by Gautami Express, isn't it? Okay. I am meeting my childhood friends tomorrow. I am meeting my childhood friends tomorrow. Immediate future or next near future we are talking about, and actions which are continuing. That is important. In such cases, we use present continuous tense. My brother is coming from London next week. That's also definite program, because coming from some other place means definitely they need to book the tickets in advance. So proper planning is required and definite programs, isn't it? So my brother is coming from London next week. In such cases, so the definite programs or plans in near future also we use present continuous tense. So What are the uses? Three uses. Once again, I repeat. What is the structure first of all? Subject plus B form is MR plus V1 plus ing form or V4 and any other word or object. Okay, like we are adding for the study, if it is there, studying, isn't it? Pursuing, preparing, reading, studying, these are the words, and before that we are using B form. This is the basic structure. And when do we use them? We use them to talk about ongoing actions, the actions which are taking place now, which are happening now at this moment. We use that. Like I am teaching a lesson, I am teaching present continuous tense. At now, at this moment, what are we doing? That we have to use continuous tense, so present continuous tense. And also we use for longer actions which extend for a period of time, but present time. Then also we use present continuous tense, like he's doing MSc computers, or he's pursuing BTech from so and so college. The students are preparing for the exams. I am reading a book or a novel, and he is studying in fifth class or sixth class, like that. The actions which extend for a period of time, in such cases we use. And then when there is a definite plan or program come in the near future, tomorrow, next week, or this night, then also we use continuous tense, present continuous tense. Like she's giving the party tonight. This night only she is giving the party, and I am leaving to Hyderabad this night by Gautami train. I am meeting my childhood friends tomorrow. Okay, my brother is coming from US or London next week. So these are the uses. Now we do the negatives and questions next. So, what are the key words we use in simple or some present continuous tense? The key words, not many. Like in simple present tense, plenty of words are there, isn't it? Adverbs of frequency and every time, every moment, every morning, on Sunday. So many, plenty of words are there. But here we don't have that much. List is not there. Only few are there, very few are there. Now, at present, and at this moment, only three, and sometimes hush also. Hush, the baby is sleeping. So hush, don't make noise. The children are taking the exam in the next room. So don't make noise. Hush, don't make noise. Children are taking the exam in the next room. In such cases, this expression also is there. But mostly now, at present, at this moment, only three are main keywords in present continuous tense. So negatives. What is the structure for this negatives? Okay, here now you need not do take the help of any do forms. No need. Only one thing you have to do. She is teaching English. There we have written, isn't it? Or I am teaching English. Just in between the auxiliary verb and main verb, if you add not, it's enough. You get the negative form. She is not teaching English. What are you doing? In between the auxiliary verb and main verb, you are adding not. Just by adding not in between the two, you will get negative structure. Okay? She is not teaching English. So B form you take. After that, not subject plus B form plus not plus B1 plus in form, any other words or object. She is not teaching English. They are not going to school. She is not writing the notes, or she is not writing the lesson. She is not listening to the class. I am not reading a book. Shalu is not coming to the party with us. They are not going there. They are not going to park. Like that. Only just by adding not, you get the structure. Here, no need to take any help of any do forms. In present continuous tense, no need to take the help of do forms. Directly in between the two, if you add not, it becomes negative. Then coming to questions. Questions, again, every time questions means two, WH and S no. WH question, word plus B form plus subject plus V1 plus ing or V4. Where are you going? What are you doing? Why are you not doing the homework? Negatives also. Questions, negatives. Why are you not doing the homework? Why are you coming late? Okay. What are you doing now? All these are the question forms you can ask. Then B, yes, no questions. B form plus subject plus B1 plus in form, then any other words. Then here, beginning itself, B forms. What are the B forms? Again, don't forget, like B forms, present tense means only three, is and are. Are you watching movie? Are you watching movie? Isn't negatives also. Isn't she doing her homework? Are you coming with me to the party? Okay, are you coming with me? Is she going there? Is she going to school regularly? Is she going to school? Okay, like that you have to frame using the B forms. Okay, um, first beginning itself B form, then subject, then V1 plus in form, then object or any other word. Okay, so this is all about present continuous tense. Only one thing I just want to say, you don't get confused between simple present and present continuous tense. The usage there separately we have shown. Okay, and here it is separate. It is a continuous action, and that is not a the actions which take place at the present time. Okay, regular habits, and then in the planned future. How you have seen the examples, isn't it? So don't get confused. Here we add only ing form for this because if they are progressive or they are continuous tense, isn't it? Going on, the actions are going on. That is the main difference between simple present and present continuous. And already you actually last video itself I showed you the state verbs which don't have the ing forms. So here I need not explain all that. Okay, those verbs they do not have any continuous tense at all. Senses, isn't it? Do you remember senses, opinions, desires, measurements, those mental states and possessions? They don't have continuous forms. That also you have to remember. And next video also we will do the tenses only. Mostly I'll do past simple past tense. Thank you for watching my video.